Welcome back. In this video, we shall see the intuition behind digital AND gate and the digital OR gate. So first of all, we see the digital AND gate. Okay, the AND gate can be thought of as two switches connected in series. Okay, so this is the power supply, and here is the first switch, here is the second switch. So let us call it S1, this is S2. Okay, and here is the bulb. Okay, here is the bulb. Okay, so this is the bulb and this is the complete circuit, series circuit. Okay, in which two switches are connected in series. Okay, when both of these switches are open, the bulb will be off. When S1 is closed, okay, let us close S1. So when S1 is closed but S2 is not closed, the bulb will remain off. Similarly, when S2 is closed and S1 is open, the bulb will remain off. When both S1 and S2 are closed, the bulb will turn on. Okay, this is the intuition of AND gate. Okay, so let us see the intuition behind digital OR gate. Okay, so OR gate can be considered as two switches connected in parallel. So here is a power supply and here is switch S1 and here is the switch S2. Okay, these two switches are connected in parallel. Here is the light bulb and here the circuit completes in this manner. The circuit completes in this way. Okay, so this is the switch, this is S1, this is S2. Okay, when both these switches are open, the bulb will remain off. Okay, when S1 is turned on, when S1 is closed, so the path completes in this way. The circuit completes and the bulb will turn on. Okay, the bulb will turn on. Similarly, when S1 is open and S2 is closed, the path will complete in this way and the bulb will turn on. Similarly, when both S1 and S2 are closed, the path is either this way or the path is either this way. Okay, the bulb will turn on. So this is the intuition behind digital OR gate. OR gate can be considered as two switches connected in parallel, and AND gate can be considered as two switches connected in series. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson.